Okay, awesome. I was talking and didn't record anything. This is my setup. Got a racing seat set up. I like racing games. Built this over the summer. Right here where the wheel is based in. It's dark, so I know you can't see it. This moves in and out. And I made this originally with the idea of doing this with the computer. So the wheel actually just unsnaps. And the keyboard itself could snap right on here. Got my TV. There are going to be a few lights on the side in there. It's like a primer system, so I know there's power to it. I have an LCD readout here. I don't know if you could see it. Right where my finger's pointing. That'll light up, or it should. Gives me temperature and specs inside the computer. This, I know you can't see, but this will light up. That's my wireless internet connection. So, what I did last night is I slept about 3 hours. Got up early this morning. Put everything in the case. Got it all nice and neat. Checked and double checked all the connections. So, I'm gonna prime it and then start it up. So you see that light? That means I got power. Now for the actual startup. Yeah, I'm like holding my breath. Then I should have sound soon. Okay, that's my fault. I installed software for Windows XP that wasn't made for this. Make sure the sound works. This right here is just a little monitor for me to keep track of the computer usage and stuff. No, I don't need that. This is so quiet. My other one was a Pentium system and it was fucking loud. It sounded like a jet. For some reason I'm not getting sound. Oh, that's right. See, I'm running through a VGA cable I had to convert the HDI over to VGA, and I do not like that, but thing is the no sound, but I am stoked because it's working. First system is up and running. Now I just got to get all the kinks out of it.